guys, and welcome back to another episode of Makeup Masterclass, where we show you how to get the latest makeup trends. Burgundy lips might have been a huge trend, but it's burgundy eyes that's making heads turn. Just take a cue from our celebrities. Today I'm going to show you how to get this look in a few simple steps. Hope you guys like this video. Tune in next week for another episode of Makeup Masterclass. Also, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. While you're at it, check out the POPxo shop because we have some amazing things out there. We have fanny packs, backpacks, notebooks and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.